Golden llama.
Hey Dan. What you doing?
I'm getting ready to do some laundry.
I want to help.
You're a little too small to help me with the laundry, but would you like to see how it works?
Sure. I'm coming down. Yay, laundry! I want to turn the knobs. Okay, I'll watch.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is take the drain tube. That's attached to the side of the washing machine. It's on the side, and it'll just drain right into the tub. So you place that down, then grab the water hose from your shower and just turn it on. There we go. I like to use hot water.
Okay, neat.
So there's a few different settings. You have drain and standard, which is fill. And you just let that fill up, add your soap. And then you're able to wash laundry in your bathtub.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Here's an image of the tub filling. And also if I go along the side, you can see the little drain tube that goes right into the tub drain. And for clarity, we have 3 knobs. We have one for the wash timer. We have one for the select switch, which is draining it out. We have standard wash, and we have soft wash. And that deals with how strongly the agitator is used on the clothing. And over here, we have a spin timer. You can go from 0 to 5 minutes. I find that it doesn't even take that long. And the clothes come out really pretty much dry. That doesn't take long to fill up. As you see, that's about 5 gallons worth of water. And it'll do a couple of pairs of jeans, quite a few shirts, and all of your whites. Okay, so at the moment, I have 2 pairs of adult-sized jeans and 1 kid-sized jean in there. And that's about the limit that you want to place in there at any one time, as far as heavy clothing goes. So I'll turn this on. And as you can see, it agitates. And in fact, these clothes come out a lot cleaner than you would normally get in a standard washing machine, which I find pretty impressive. Alright, so I already drained out the wash water. The next step is to add more water so that you can rinse off your clothes, and then it goes once again out the drain after you hit the drain knob. So right now it's set on drain, but to keep the water in, I just put it on standard. Then once the clothes are rinsed, I'll take them and I'll put them inside here. And this is your spin bucket. You can do, you should probably do just about 1 pair of jeans at a time, or you can fill it up with other clothes like socks, underwear, shirts. It says not to exceed 10 pounds of laundry, but I don't know about you, but I can't tell when laundry is at 10 pounds or more, so I just don't overfill it. Okay, so the jeans are draining. Coming out the drain there. And now I'm going to place a pair in here. Let's grab a pair. Alright, so as you see, this is coming out pretty wet, but after they go in, okay, we'll hit the spin timer. Set it for 5. Hold on. Okay, so when the load is out of balance, that's what it'll do. Have a tendency to just shake and shake and shake. And you just reposition, place it back in, and try again. There we are. Alright, and then you'd be surprised how much water is actually coming out. So that's all the water that was in those jeans. And that's how much you don't have to have drying on the line. And so that's the basic operation of the washing machine. You fill it using water from your faucet, or you fill it using water from your shower head, then you drain it, then you rinse it, then you drain it, and then place it in the bin, and then it spins it for up to 5 minutes. Drains all the water out, and then you can hang the clothes up. I'd say for a pair of jeans, on an average day, it'll take about an hour to dry. The other clothes, socks, t-shirts, lighter things like that, they won't take nearly as long. Okay, so I didn't see any more water coming out of the drain. We'll check to see if these are dry. And then as you lift up the lid, there's a little safety mechanism that turns the spinning basket off. And let's test these. Oh yeah. Those are just about dry to the touch. Slightly damp. They would dry pretty quickly. And then here's an inside of the basket. And then that simply just rotates. As such. And then the banging back and forth, that's it going like this. But it's pretty stout. It spins it rather quickly too.
Okay, neat. I'm going to go take a nap. Hey, what's that thing? Oh, this? This is our collapsible drying rack. And just unfold it and snap it into position, like so. Now we have a place for our clothes to dry. Thanks, Dan, for showing me how the laundry machine works. I'm getting sleepy now. It's time for me to go to bed. Good night.